Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars? Ancient civilizations did too. Long ago, people didn't have clocks or calendars like we do today. They looked to the sky. The sun was their clock. It told them when to wake up, when to work, and when to sleep. The moon was their calendar. It went through phases, from new moon to full moon. They used this to track time, but there was more to learn. The stars held secrets too. Over time, ancient civilizations became expert stargazers. They used math and astronomy to understand the world around them. These discoveries changed the way they lived. They also shaped our understanding of the universe today. Imagine building something as big as a pyramid. That's what the ancient Egyptians did. They used math to build these amazing structures. The pyramids are still standing today. Egyptians were masters of geometry. They understood shapes, angles, and measurements. They used this knowledge to cut stones perfectly. These stones fit together so well, you couldn't even slip a piece of paper between them. They also used math to align the pyramids with the stars. This shows how connected they were to the sky. The pyramids are a testament to the power of math and the ingenuity of ancient Egyptians. Deep in the jungles of Central America lived the Mayans. They were brilliant astronomers. They observed the stars and planets. They tracked their movements across the sky. They used this knowledge to create something incredible: the Mayan calendar. The Mayans knew that the Earth moved around the sun. They also knew that it took about 365 days for the Earth to make one complete trip. They created a calendar that was incredibly accurate. The Mayan calendar wasn't just about time. It was also connected to their beliefs about the universe. They believed that cycles in the sky were linked to events on Earth. The Mayans show us how astronomy and culture can be intertwined. Thousands of years ago in ancient Mesopotamia lived the Babylonians. They are considered the first astronomers. They kept meticulous records of the stars. They tracked their movements over centuries. The Babylonians noticed patterns in the stars. They identified constellations, which are groups of stars that form shapes in the sky. They developed a system for predicting the movements of planets. These star maps helped them understand the cycles of the night sky. We still use some of the constellations they name today, like Leo and Taurus. Their dedication to studying the stars laid the groundwork for astronomy as we know it.